Hi everybody, how are you? It's Dr. Emily, functional podiatrist, human movement specialist, and founder of EBFA Global. I'm inviting you to join me on Sunday, October 27th for Pelvic Balance. This is a series of lectures that we're hosting on behalf of EBFA Global. I personally will be speaking 2 sessions. First session is going to be on the anterior pubic joint and understanding certain myths around groin injuries. The second session I'm doing is going to be called Coccydynia and understanding this vestigial joint within the body. Both of these are going to empower you as a health and movement specialist to better understand different aspects of pelvic floor function and pelvic balancing so that you can better address certain pathologies in your clients. To learn more about pelvic balance and the other speakers and the other sessions, please head to barefootsstrongsummit.com. Again, it is Sunday, October 27th in Scottsdale, Arizona, as well as online access. So if you cannot attend live, please check out our online access, barefootsstrongsummit.com. I hope to see you there.